Hello there. So this is my first video that I am making with a microphone. I have decided that I will do a new series. I have decided that I will start my channel off by doing a series on Sons of the Forest, which is a sequel to The Forest. So, I will just create a new game here, normal, start with that. Doing multiplayer because it's a bit easier than single player. Just gotta wait for it to load for a few seconds here. I'm not sure why it takes a while, but I've gotten used to it. Oh, I think it's loading. Yep. There we go. Here's the starting cutscene. Wonder where we'll land. Here we have Edward Puffton, Barbara Puffton, and Virginia Puffton. That's who we're looking for. Looks like we're landing on the beach, I think. Maybe not. Oh, yep. This is new. There we go. There we go. Got out Kelvin up, of course. Tell him to follow us. Tape. It's always good to have. Ooh, slug ammo. Some flares. Circuit board, more duct tape. C4 bricks and grenades. Watch this, printer resin. And buckshot ammo. Sweet. Pretty good start. Don't need a tutorial, but it's okay. I'll sign that. Come on. Send my tactical axe to 1. And start collecting some stuff here. Extra rocks. Salmon berries. So you got seeds already. Blueberries. Apparently I don't have new crafting recipes. Circle around this thing, otherwise you're not going to put it down. There we go. I'm going to place these down. Not sure if I'm going to do anything with those, but I'll have them there. Okay, sweet. Got some sticks. Oh, but nope. Alright, need the knife. There we go. Now I got my spears. Or a spear. Assign that to 2. Okay, let's get going. And there's a cave right here. Luckily I know what to do. Oh, it's this one. Okay, never mind. Can't go in here just yet. Need a little something else. I'm not going to mention yet because this is only the first video, so. Okay, gotta find a good spot to make a base. That's what I want to do. Now you don't need to make a base, I just recommend it. If a place to stay, make it look nice. Yeah. Let's see if there's anything over here. Looks like it's just those body parts and limb and these sticks here. Break those for the sticks. Okay, so I know where I want to go. I'm just not sure how long it's going to take to get there from here, because I cannot see it on the map, the GPS. So I don't need to learn the basics of construction here. Just do it anyways. Switch the mode to presets. Just close that out. Okay. Arrow leaf, it's pretty nice. I don't remember what that's used for. Let's see. Yeah, energy mix. Okay. Not like I'm gonna need that though. I've never used it. I've never made it before actually. Ooh, fireweed. Pretty good, I think. At least I have edible stuff already. It's weird how I get leaves from chopping dead logs. Does not make sense, but whatever. Collect as much stuff as I can. Get it. There we go. So you got some meat already. That's good. Get the eagle head because I can get it. Okay, I can make stone arrows now, which I don't need those for quite a while, because the wooden or the craftable bow is not very good. Or I'm not very good with it. Okay. So I'm gonna go up here, up west. Wait a second. Where? Oh. I'm here. I'm on the other side of the map from where I thought I was. I already can't carry any more blueberries. Okay, well, guess that's fine. Got Shigroy, whatever. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. Now I can make the energy mix if I want to. But I can't harvest that. It's like lavender or something, probably. Wrong way again. Wait a second. Oh, that's where I am. Okay. Pretty sure there's a certain weapon here near me. Yeah, but this guy here, which I can't get to yet because I need a shovel. Or this purple marker that way. It's not where I'm going. Kind of close there, but not my destination. There's a little lake down there. If I'm lucky, I can find a certain something over here. Oh no. There's a cannibal camp. Okay, looks like it's just these guys. Oh, and there's a lot of them. Okay, I can take them on, I think. Let me get that guy. Shit. Shoot. Yeah, let him throw the spears. Throw the spears. We can pick him up. Where is it? Oh, there's one. There it is. Sweet. Nice. Okay, one shot to that with a spear and it's instant death. Ah, darn. I shouldn't have jumped. Oh well, I'll just respawn right here. And since I'm the only one on this world, or server, it means that nobody can revive me. So, I have to revive myself like this. Which is just great. There's a chance that they may end up killing me. Yeah. There we go. I didn't know it was that easy to kill him with a knife. Probably because I've never killed him with a knife before. Just thought the knife wasn't strong enough. Take that. Ah, darn. Oh well. Just another death. It's 2 already. Hopefully I can clear out this camp before it gets to 4. Or 3, whatever. Yeah, actually before it gets to 4, because I don't really want to get that many deaths. So you know what? Why don't I just collect my bag and my other stuff and go? Oh no. Poor Kelvin. Or, yeah, oh no, he's back. I revive Kelvin again. Look at this. Oh. Picked up 50 watches. Oh, there's the mono wheel. Huh. Oh geez. How the heck did he get me there? It's behind him. I mean, this game is still in beta, I think. It's early access, so some things are kind of wonky, but I'd say it's fine. Probably going to be about 30-minute long videos, but I'd say. I don't know, I did mention that earlier. Don't know why I'm mentioning that now. Yeah, I'm probably going to have a lot of speaking mistakes too, because sometimes I kind of talk kind of fast. At least I think. Wait, oh, and he just took down his own 10. Yeah, I need to get my backpack. Oh. And go. Oh, light bulbs. Nice. Pretty good early on. I've never actually used them though. Get that circuit board. Oh, oh, there they are. That guy just fell dead. Ah. Got me from behind. Okay. I didn't even see him there. Well, I did see him, but... Oh. Perfect timing, huh? Just decided to walk right by me. So yeah, that was kind of perfect timing. Oh, how was Kelvin back up? Oh, there's a sweater right there. That's good. Come on, just pick it up and go. Let's go. Wire, that's good. Okay, this camp looted. Nothing left here. Time to go. Okay, come on, Kelvin. Get that guy off me. Okay, this is closer. Actually not. Bit too open. Yeah, I think I want to do it in the woods. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't want to go too terribly far from some of the locations I need to go to. That stick. So, I'm going to make my base right over here. I think. Up here. Yep. Oh, already full sticks. Nice. This is it. Right up there. This is where I built in my last save, so I think I'm going to build here again. Okay. Oh no, these guys. Okay. Hey, you. Right, get in the water. Okay, he's drowning himself. Oh, let's just kill him. Okay. Skin pouch. Sweet. Oh, there's two of them in there. It's a turtle. Sorry, bud. I kinda need your meat. Okay, right click on the skin pouch, right click up here, and there. Got some tape and salmon berries. Also got it, yeah. I'll get this. No, I don't really need it. Oh, that's a lot of deer. Okay. Yeah, nah, can't get that. Okay, Kelvin. I'm gonna build over here. This place is a bit better, and I want it to be secluded in the forest. Okay. Fill in both of those. Camp right here. Oh, and there's a broken golf cart. This guy's spears. There we go. Sweet. Oh. And I just picked up one of his arms. Unfortunately, I can't drop it. So. Oh, nice. Medicine and tape. Pick that up. Oh, the rope is already. Get out. Oh, dang it. Kelvin's already down. Ah. Well, at least I'm at the right camp. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna get my loot and get out of here. I'm not gonna bother fighting him. Even if it is just this one guy. Wire. Seriously? Okay, I'm just gonna get him up. Come on, spear guys. Okay, I'll take the spears. Calvin, just get over here. Okay. Oh, this is actually a really nice spot over here. Okay, I think Kelvin's coming. Yeah, this is a great spot. She's here. Oh no. Sheesh. I have terrible aim with these spears. Oh. Combo guns, and I'm dead. This will be a lot easier with a friend. Unfortunately, I don't think any of them are on right now. Try and save there. I can't, like, quit right now. Free myself, get my stuff, go back to where I was from. So, I can't. Kelvin, why are you coming back over here? Okay, dude, let's go wherever you are. Kelvin, get over here. Okay, get a tarp. I'm going to place it down. And I'm going to prop it up with a stick. voila. There is a first. No, do not save over that. This one even serious. And there, saved. Okay, well, I guess that's a good place to end it for the first video. Well, thank you for whoever is watching, and bye. Hope you enjoyed this.